Hey YouTube, this is Zach with Savage Traveling, coming to you from Dan Noi, Thailand, just about 20 minutes outside of Khon Kaen. It's been a couple weeks since I made a video. That was not entirely on purpose. I meant to take a 4 or 5 day break. We were on our way to Pattaya and I was going to do loads of video there, but on the bus ride down, I had a glasses case full of memory cards, and the most important thing is the little SD card to USB converter so I could take the videos and photos off my cameras and put them on my computer. I had 2 of those, but they were both in the glasses case and they somehow slipped out of my bag and I never seen them again. So, it took me a week to realize those were gone because I was kind of on a break anyways. And now I've been, I ordered some off Lazada. My order got canceled twice. Now we've got another order in and they should be here in a few days. I didn't mean to take a 3-week break from making videos. I really didn't want to do that. It's been an interesting 3 weeks. Haven't done much as in travel. I was in Pattaya for 5 days and we kind of just hung out at the bar and ate, and I was sick, I got sick twice, and my girlfriend Kai was sick, and we ended up just coming back here to the village, and because I have yet to be sick from her cooking for me, but it seems every time I go to a restaurant here lately, I've been getting sick, so we just came back here home and been taking it easy. 2 nights ago was the village concert. I'm gonna put a little clip in here real quick. It was cool. Way more people showed up than I had expected, and it went from 8 or 9 o'clock at night till almost 2 o'clock in the morning. We left early and you could still hear the music really late, and that was cool. It was neat to see the village come to life, you know what I'm saying? Grandma got bit by a dog. She was out here doing something after dark in the road, and I don't see him today. He's still out here running around somewhere. And not a bad bite, just enough to break the skin, and she had to go to the clinic, and they didn't have the right shot that she needed, so she had to go to the big hospital, and they gave her shots and rounds of antibiotics, and she has to go back like every week for a couple weeks just to check, don't get bit by a soy dog. Like, do not. Even if you live here, it's not a good thing, you know what I mean? So I can't imagine what would happen to me or somebody, from the West. This dog wasn't even rabid, but they were really worried that, it could be a bad thing. Here in a little bit, we're going to the temple. Well, a temple, it's like 30 minutes away. Guy's friend Noi and her husband Paul, who's from Belgium, they're here on a 30-day holiday. They're the reason we went to Pattaya in the first place, for their anniversary party, and we had a great time. It was all good, except for the stomach issues, you know what I mean? And at that point, I hadn't even realized that my SD card converter was gone, but it was more like a family event thing, so I wasn't in the mood to film. And so, like I said, I didn't mean to take a 3-week break, but we're going to the temple today, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. I'm still waiting for my SD card converter. It should be here in a couple days, so I'm trying to get back on track with the videos. And like I said, it's just another slow day in the village, as you can tell. But when we get into the car, because they rented a car or SUV, and we're gonna ride to this temple that's like 30 minutes away, and we're gonna let the girls do their temple thing. I don't really know what they do. They kind of pray and ask for good luck, I guess, as far as I understand it. And I'll show you guys around there because I haven't been there before, and it's the first time we've got to really do anything with them outside of Pattaya. And they're only here for another week and a half, so we're trying to get our time in with them before they go back to Belgium for the long, cold winter. Those aren't the dogs that bit Grandma. The dog that bit Grandma was this black dog that's been hanging out here for a while. And I don't see him today. Maybe somebody took care of him. I'm not sure. Hopefully, because he's aggressive, quite aggressive. So when we get in, when we get on the road to the temple, guys, I'll catch back up with you and you can see what that's all about. And I'll talk to you then. All right, will you hold this? Just a quick drive, just around the corner, and we'll be there. Took it wide. I lost their mat.
Morning.
Thank you. Okay, that was that. Over here is the temple. Right back here, actually right back here, is the temple that I did the video in a few videos ago. See, they're drying the rice today. This is Noi's house. This is the SUV we're taking to the temple. So we'll go in here and say hello, and then when we get on the road and to our destination, I'll see you guys again. We'll shop right next door. Various drinks and or snacks. See your bag of coffee. It's a first for me. I didn't know coffee come in bags.
This just the bag.
It's what?
This just the bag. Have so many brand.
Oh, nice.
Have so many brand because this for set ice.
Okay.
If you put
okay.
in glass, ice finish so fast.
Right,
so
right.
you can put back and you can put check. Yeah.
Right
you
on.
see, 2 hours, 3 hours already still have ice.
Yeah.
And
Nice.
for buy also for you like. Yeah.
Right on. That's cool. I never seen it come in a bag before.
Yeah, before already put glass, no? Plastic glass.
Yeah, that's a good idea. If it'll hold ice as long as it has, then heck yeah.
50.
All right, guys, we made it to the temple. It was a short 35-40 minute ride in the car there. I just wanted to show the entrance here real quick. Pretty cool. What do you like? Warriors here, Buddha warriors. I don't really know. Guardians of the temple. Here in a moment, we're gonna walk up. It's supposed to be quite impressive. So I'll show you guys. I'll catch back up with you guys here momentarily. Some nice foliage here. Pretty pink flowers. Looks like you got a little cafe or two over here on the right. Or something to that effect. Coffee joint. Oh, that's nice up in here. Oh, there's a lion Buddha right there. Let's go check that out real quick. I'm sure we'll get to it, but we'll do a sneak peek. Can you see him? Yeah, that's cool. Okay, I'll get back with my group here. I'm sure we'll see that before we go up close and personal. This is on the north side of Khon Kaen. I forgot to tell you guys. We got some chong up here, which is elephants in Thai.
Inside don't have the flower.
Discussion amongst the women and Paul. He's gonna buy some flour apparently. Let's go check this out. What is this? This flowers, how much are flowers?
don't know.
100.
No, no, Lily, 100, I think.
That's more than 100. Don't watch yourselves around these women, guys. Trust me.
I still constant.
Yes, you did.
You want a lot of luck in your life.
Strong arm robbery. Let's go here. Oh, I want to go.
I never did.
I'm sure it's just a little easier. It'd be different if I was back home working. When I was doing stuff back home working, it would have been a different story than fixed income, because that's where I'm at now. This is quite enchanting, guys. Oh, nice. This dragon and owls. And something smells really good. Somebody's cooking up some dishes. There's the Khon Kaen rescue boat. Fake trees. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Donation box. Huh? What's up? A monk of some distinguishable authority. Okay, so I got some wares. I have some incense, a candle, and a flower, and for good luck. We also have fish food.
You want to try?
I don't want to eat it, no. I will feed all the fish that I can, but I think I'll stay away from the pellets today. Oh, shoot. Okay. Hopefully that wasn't causing an issue. There's a lion Buddha back here. Have you seen it? A laying down Buddha? Big one back here? Yeah. Oh, look at this.
Yes, turn around.
As you can see, it actually is baby Buddha. I wasn't just talking out my wazoo again. They could hit him with a brush or two and some soap and water. Might not hurt. But, you know.
As you see on the body, he show we have problem up. Nobody understands.
No, he knows what's up. You gotta get these guys out of here. They keep shitting all over me. The old jungle tree. Yeah. Okay, more coffee. I believe we're going to the left. Lost track of the ladies. Oh, nice little cafe. Waterfall. I can hear them. I can hear the women. That is not them. They're up further. Okay, I've spotted them. Oh, peacock. Oh, giant fish. This is a big old, I don't know what kind of fish that is. That is quite impressive. Oh, we got a giant crocodile down here. Oh, 2 of them. And a Thai man spearing it in the back of the head. Now that is cool. Crocodile with a little baby Buddha in his mouth. Oh, another one. That is cool. Okay, we found the crocodile. He is alive. He moved just a second ago. But I don't know if we're gonna get much action out of him. So, but that's kind of cool.
This was my telephone.
I did not know that was on the itinerary today. I should have guessed because of these, but no. Okay, we're on the way to find more fish to feed. We got some cocks here.
Small guy.
Small guys.
I mean the big guy, the small.
Ah. Yeah, these are healthy ones. Some of the ones I see in the village don't look like that. Nice fountain. These Christmas tree type ornaments there. Don't think that's what they really are though. Ooh. This is a quite impressive temple. I didn't know what to expect. Oh wow, another big Buddha back there. Awesome Chung. Buddha playing under the water, checking out the peacocks. Dragons breathing water. Oh, these guys look happy. The women are quite voluptuous. Or the women Buddhas, whatever you call those. These guys clearly eat well and aren't afraid to show it. Oh, another big Buddha down here. A warrior, I guess. Oh, there's a Buddha in a glass house to my left. We'll go back there. This guy, he's got his fingers up. Sure, some significance. Oh, he's cool. He's made out of like crystal. Oh, there's 2 are. Oh, wait, we got another one over here. This guy is definitely Thai. Uh-oh. He's got a skull on his staff. That's pretty... Oh, he's got skulls down here too. And he's got a skull on his belt and his chest there. That's a pretty serious dude. Oh, look at this guy. Oh yeah. Neato. Thai culture is deep and old. I think Paul's gonna do it.
It's not hot, watch out, because first time I thought it was hot. I think we'll have to do this heavy. It's not heavy at all.
That is a big bell.
Want to try?
Yeah, I'll try.
Still filming?
Oh yeah. Oh, it is hard. It's easy to do.
do you also?
Good luck. That's why the first time it was so loud.
Yeah, yeah.
I see the rope, I think, okay,
Yeah, it was way easier than I thought it would be.
Alligator will wake up now.
Darling, you can take a photo.
Yeah, worth a backtrack for.
This is where
Where they burn.
something.
Yes.
That's why they don't come.
That might be cremation station. That is a huge Buddha. Oh, there's a huge statue behind it too. Something else.
Oh, yes, sir.
Oh, what? Okay, yeah, the standing one. Yeah, that's huge. Yeah, he. Impressive.
Baby Buddha is looking at you at the same time.
Yeah, they'd be smiling a lot.
Everywhere.
This is what I could see from the road, isn't it?
I always think like it's the monk who choose what he likes, no?
Right.
Because you have turtles, you have mini baby Buddha here, and then you have alligator.
Yeah.
I don't understand the meaning about it.
No,
About it. You have dragons. You have the head.
Oh yeah.
Can go down.
Down here. This is where we feed the fish.
Oh, pedalo!
I think we're supposed to take our shoes off up here.
Take the shoes off.
Apparently so. Alright, let's feed some fish. I'm Kevin Deer.
Ta thả lắm hả? Ta cũng có. Làm biết em báo ta thả lại.
Oh, catfish. Oh yeah, catfish.
Biết ta thả lại. Catfish đó. Ta đu con ta thả lại nè. Ốc. Ta biết.
You can make a fire.
Okay. You see the big fish. Vừa là ta thả lại đó. Còn nếu cái cày đó được gì? Cái gì đó nó cũng.
Bây giờ chậm khi càng làm nữa.
What?
Bắt trên kênh dầu khoảng vay vay.
Don't throw your gold.
Okay. We circled back to check this out. I showed you just a glimpse of it from down there earlier, but quite impressive collection of Buddha. I think we were just talking, and I was trying to remember what day my Buddha is, and I believe it's this guy, but I could be wrong. Like, depending on what day of the week you were born, there's a Buddha that represents you. Actually, it might be this guy. One of them that's doing a hand thing. And it might be, well, see, that one back there is doing a different hand thing, so I'm not exactly sure. And I think I was born on a Wednesday, but now I don't even know if I'm sure about that. Everybody left me? No, they're just walking around back here. Okay, this guy is emerald green. Pretty cool. All right. Okay, we're doing it. We're heading to the big round gold temple. We got to cross this bridge that is guarded by these giant, scary looking dragons. They're actually looking pretty cool, but they're fierce nonetheless. We get to cross this bridge. There was definitely hesitation from the women. They were skeptical. Yeah, don't miss a step.
I don't want to swim.
Oh, glamour shot time.
This one or not? Oh.
That is a big fish.
Okay.
Vicious.
Okay, you can sit there. I take a photo of you.
Oh wow.
Always.
Go check this guy out. And then I will probably call it a day for this video, being that it's probably going to be 35 minutes long. I don't really know. If you've made it this far, I appreciate you guys for watching. If you could like and subscribe, I would greatly appreciate you. It's still going to be a few days before this video gets up, but I will be back in full force. Lions. I'm going to take my shoes off just to be careful, just to be safe. It looks like this is a work in progress. This is a huge structure. Quite impressive. A lot of work to go. This will be quite ornate and spectacular when they're done with it, I can only imagine. Yeah, that is cool. Is that like marble? I don't know. Kind of looks like marble. Wow. If that's really marble, that's some serious quarry action, I guess I will say. Alright guys, I appreciate you for watching. This has been Zach with Savage Traveling here on the north side of Khon Kaen, visiting one of the more impressive temple complexes I've seen this trip. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.